The 2025 Tata Safari has once again proven why it continues to be one of the most talked about SUVs in the Indian automotive market, blending heritage with modern innovation in a way that excites car lovers and casual buyers alike. When Tata first introduced the Safari years ago, it became an icon for families who wanted space, comfort, and a vehicle capable of handling both highways and rugged terrains. Now, with the 2025 version, Tata has brought in luxury elements, advanced technology, and bold design features that make the Safari stand tall in any luxury showroom or road environment. The Pearl White edition in particular has created a storm across social media platforms, with viral images showcasing its elegance and powerful stance in premium showroom settings. The exterior design of the new Safari highlights Tata's Impact Design 2.0 philosophy, which emphasizes a commanding road presence through bold lines, a wide grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that reflect both power and grace. The pearl white finish accentuates its premium appeal, making it a favorite choice for viral thumbnails and promotional campaigns. When the car is placed under showroom lights, the glossy reflections make it look even more luxurious, attracting the attention of potential buyers instantly. Tata has paid attention to detail with chrome accents, stylish alloy wheels, and a strong rear profile, ensuring the SUV not only dominates the road but also shines in photos and videos. Moving inside, the 2025 Tata Safari truly feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials including soft-touch surfaces, dual-tone leather upholstery, diamond stitching on the seats, and chrome detailing that adds a premium touch. The wide panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, giving passengers an airy and open feel. Ambient LED lighting offers a futuristic experience, while the large touchscreen infotainment system paired with advanced connectivity features ensures that drivers and passengers are always connected. Comfort is a major factor in the Safari's appeal, with ventilated seats, spacious legroom, and a versatile third row that makes it an ideal choice for families and long trips. The digital cockpit, wireless charging, premium speakers, and advanced driver assist technologies combine to provide a modern and safe driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Safari comes with a powerful diesel engine engineered for performance and efficiency. The engine bay is not only functional but also designed to look modern and clean when displayed in showrooms. Tata has emphasized fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and better power delivery, ensuring that the SUV balances environmental responsibility with strong performance. The suspension and handling have been refined to provide a smooth ride on highways while retaining the toughness to handle uneven terrains, keeping true to the Safari's adventurous DNA. One of the most striking elements in the 2025 Safari is its focus on safety, with multiple airbags, ABS, EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a strong body structure built to handle impacts. Tata has always prioritized passenger safety, and with global NCAP ratings being a strong focus for Indian buyers, the Safari's safety credentials make it a trusted option for families. What makes the Pearl White Tata Safari so viral is the way it resonates with audiences in both aspirational and practical ways. For young professionals, it offers luxury and tech-savvy features that make it stand out in urban lifestyles, while for families, it delivers space, comfort, and reliability. Social media has amplified this appeal, with images of the Safari in glossy showrooms and outdoor landscapes, creating excitement among viewers. Many auto influencers and YouTube creators have already picked it as one of the most camera-friendly SUVs in the market today. This is where my YouTube channel, GJ CarX, steps in, providing viewers with authentic, high-quality, and engaging automotive content. On GJ CarX, we bring you the latest reviews, first looks, viral car color showcases, luxury showroom walkthroughs, and under-the-hood explorations that help you experience cars like the Tata Safari in a way that feels real and premium. Our mission is to highlight not just the specifications but also the emotions and lifestyle connected with vehicles, whether it's the bold stance of a pearl white SUV in a luxury showroom or the thrill of testing its engine power on the open road. For viewers who want to stay updated on what's trending in the auto world, GJ CarX is the perfect destination to explore, learn, and enjoy. The 2025 Tata Safari in Pearl White is not just a car, it's an experience that combines heritage, modern design, advanced technology, and viral appeal. From the moment it is unveiled by businessmen in a showroom setting to the first time the engine roars to life, it creates an impression that lasts. This is why it continues to dominate conversations, thumbnails, and reviews across the automotive space, making it one of the most sought-after SUVs of this year and a perfect centerpiece for our audience on GJ CarX.